getting battery?
Dead gun, it's just not
Battery then. Okay.
I think so. Huh? I know. Wait for the camera! Wait for the camera! Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, I've got one on me. I'm at 3 at the moment.
You can see how I just went.
Considering the one that landed over you earlier, it's... Oh, fuck.
Fuck me. Bang. So you see, it's gonna go.
So what do you think then, guys? You enjoying it? Yeah. Right, well, my man here's got my GoPro on, so for this battle, most of this should be recorded. So I want to see some proper action poses, some diving. just don't break my guns.
I would show you in front of my Facebook when you vaulting over the.
Oh yes. Right. Those barrels that you played that
You'll
first
get
game.
ideas above your station. There's gonna be broken limbs.
I'm sure the second time you actually hurt yourself when you were trying to pose one. You actually almost fell.
No, I got shot in my eyes. I was actually jumping over.
As you can see, it's such horrible damage. He's so fucking ugly now.
I could show you the fact that this is a fake.
Let's not put this one here. I'd like to leave.
Don't worry, it wasn't a BB, it was a hockey stick.
Yeah, he's a bit mouthy on the night.
A big ass
A
one.
fucking big one. Funny shaped one as well. So you had a good time then, yeah?
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah. Anyone thinking of taking it up over, coming back and doing it a few more times, yeah? Good stuff. It's all wound on. Something with the spring.
It's you. You just having bad luck with these guns. Yes, that's pretty full. Let's see if that one works.
This one flies BBs out. There we go. Well, it's full. There you go. One on. That one's no good. So ready? You got some more BBs on there.
Get your batteries going, yeah.
Cheers, buddy.
Oh, boy.
Wait for my mag, wait, there. Yeah, you got
That's working. I don't want that. That. See if this motherfucker works.
good to me, dude.
That wasn't me. Didn't hit anyone. That's cool. There you are, bud. I think where you started, mate. Loving this communication, guys. So unlucky, mate.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Go on, then.
There you bottle of BB's just there. Unlucky, mate. Well done. Mate, that communication was beautiful. Wait for the camera. Smile for the camera. Wave.
Right, there's one moving up on your left.
You have to go again, mate. You cut off the name.
Oh, I'm on my way now. Oh, really?
No, it's small. It's fine. Good to go.
Sweet.
That'll go.
Yeah.
But stocks on these are original size and take anything.
Is that a rental gun? Right, sweet. Just making sure, just in case it was your own battery.
Not now.
Oh! Oh, so unlucky, mate. had to sit on the ball and shit, didn't I? What have we got left? No. Try these. You alright?
Yeah, gonna need a new battery. Thank you, bud.
We need more! Down the middle! We need more down the middle! There's a block down there. Everyone's getting shot from here. As soon as you step out there, they're getting shot.
That's not good. Give me a fucking dead battery. It will work eventually.
You can't run down the middle.
That's cool. You just need to wind up your bag. Or refill it even. There you go. Pass me on. Why is everyone crowding around me? I don't feel comfortable. I feel like a human target. There you go. Go guys, all push up as one. Work together. Whoa! Hey, you're getting fucking cut. Fuck yeah.
No, 8. 8's next. 8 does, everyone
Cotton. Hello.
Why are you wearing
I'm filming. What do you think?
You ready, Max? There's 6 on the path. You've got Jeffrey's
I'm
with
gonna get out of the way of everyone.
Oh, not one with me. Or somebody did.
Go ahead, go ahead.
There's Tamiya batteries on you with the small head.
I reckon he went, who said that? Oh, has he gone?
I might do. I need to have a quick check.
So can you wander down from 7 towards 4 just on the footpath there with the Red Bull? Thanks, mate.
Yeah, good shout.
Alright, on my way now, on my way now. Crossing, guys, I'm gonna cross your fire. Oh, you're playing now? Nice. Well, let's hope I have some left. Running dry. Let's give that a go. I'm gonna go with that, because, yeah. Yeah, I shouldn't think too long. Yeah, but let's give you. Let's give you. Let's give you. See if this one does any good. Oh my god, really? Fucking tape. Just end up ripping up little bits off. Sweet. Do you need one as well?
No, it's bringing us over to you because it's.
Mag.
Yeah.
Help us the right way. Yeah, bud. Do I have a spare one? Yeah, I do.
I've luckily got all the BBs as well. Crawling through.
Is it not winding?
I'm not sure now, it's not winding it, it's at that point where it's clicking, but it's. Someone's had a look at it.
Lucky. Got all off. last mag.
Can't find your bottle. Where
No, I mean I was crawling all over the place, so it's hard with these. Yeah, I probably should put it in there maybe, but wherever you put it.
You got what's left of it. Actually.
Haven't got any spare BBs, I take it.
No. For some spare ones would have any.
I might just retrace my steps.
Yeah, I was going to say, you know, if you're not knowing where you think travel one more through, you guys have pushed them back far enough.
Yeah,
you'll
well,
be
you
able
got
to
what's
follow
left.
Right, okay. Just have a look out for you. I don't know what's the right thing, but I don't know where you think.
Guys, just to let you all know, I am now out of batteries and AK mags. What's wrong with it? You have to put that safe zone because I've got all dead batteries now. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, you just want to follow the pathway back to the safe zone and tell you what to do. Call me first. Dead man.
Single shot while they're building, mate. Yeah, this is your equal, mate.
Sink. Go.
Come on, guys. Now to you. Push around and push around. My gun's dead, I'm out.
I can see it from here.
You can see who it is.
Yeah. Dead ahead is literally.
in the back, yeah.
I just got the call going, hold on, gone out.
We had to make fishing him a mini me and he obviously didn't get it.
No, I didn't want to go down there, so I ran in and I sat fishing and looked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the vest?
John shot me in the belly.
Maxing on the game.
One or two. Hello. There's a view.
So then, Pete. Ooh.
I've got some lovelies.
Matt,
How,
do
clo
the right thing.
how close was that?
Keep your gun.
Yeah, I might go in the woods to see a bit more.
Here we go.
Ow!
Quick. Take it off him before he does himself some more.
Huh? Does anyone have a spare gun? Or know someone that has a spare gun?
More minutes or so, 10 more minutes or so, mate, and then the light will start going.
I've got all dead batteries on me now. You have to put that safe zone. Is it completely? Yeah, you have to put that safe zone as well. So I can't change the battery because I've got all deads on me. Yeah, you have to put back anyway because it's clear of that mud out.
Have to wander off.
So hey, nice little walk anyway. Hey Callum, wait for the camera. And you're wasting time. Wasting time, look. He's not there anymore. Oh, actually I can still see him, but yeah, that's not the point. If only you could see what I'm seeing. Oh. Almost, mate, well done. John, if I get in the way, just tell me. Come on, mate, you got this. Oh, well done, mate, well done. That's one, mate. All right, push up, work together, communicate. Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea. for walking past the doorway.
Attack! 10!
The bunker, the building inside the grass mounds. Fucking hell, Steve. Packing power.
Where am I respawning?
7, I think it is.
What's around the corner spray? Apparently I was getting
Fuck yeah. Oh. Dunno. It's too quiet.
Shouldn't have given you this radio as soon as it working.
I think this is the safe one.
Yeah, sorry, go again, that was broken. Yeah, that's all feedback.
On mark! Yeah, go on then. Just wondering who was in there.
There's zombies everywhere.
Sorry, go ahead, broken. There you go again, my battery died. It's up in 5, mate.
I think so, yeah.
Matt, I'm calling
Really?
time.
Really, we don't want to clear them out?
Game over!
Matt, do you want to turn this off?